Hey yo, what's up guys? Welcome back with me again. My dog is feeling sick right now. I need to do is feed it. Hey dog, eat that. It's a golden apple. You need to be gold, kid. Okay, he need a shower and he need a playground. Okay, I'm here. Are you hungry? Not now. You're gonna spawn my brand new Mini Cooper. Glass. This is uncommon. Come on, let's go here. Come on. Come on. Let's play your playground. You're bored? And to do is wait. We have to wait until the board is ready. Okay, if you don't know, my brand new 2019 car is a Mini Cooper. You don't believe it? It's Mini Cooper. You must be asking, that was a tiny comfortable. That isn't game, it's Mini Cooper. I'm gonna show you how to open the website. Where is my own Mini Cooper? There you are. This is my Mini Cooper. Mini Cooper. This is a Mini Cooper. This is a Mini Cooper, and on Roblox are this Mini Cooper in Roblox. Not bad. Come on, let's go. Hey, happier. You wanna ride? Not. By the way, I have a friend and his name Perfect Amigas. I say Perfect Amigas. Oh my god, there you are. It's my friend. I don't care. Oh my god, my car's stuck. Come on, let's go. Okay, I still car right now. I have to wait until I need a brand new muscle car. I already have my own Mini Cooper. All I need is my muscle car. Hey, that was a perfect Amigas. He did guys already pay me a lot, so I don't care. Okay, I love this house. Okay. Sorry, you want Kage. Where are you? Where are you? Okay, just leave. Just leave, dude. Just leave. Leave. Leave me alone, kiddo. No, I don't know. His party. The house tree party. So boring. So I will give the real party 6. Rating is 6. While, come on, let's go. I need to do is take a party. Hey, I wanna go take the Perfect Amiga's house. Let me see the house of Perfect Amigas. Dude. What is this? Okay, the shiny apple, normal bed, barrel, bread on the floor, free pizza. Where's the pizza? Where's the pizza? I'm gonna say lol, not bacon. Good. I don't care. No DJ style. Hey, where's my pet? My pet. Where's Bud? Hey. Hey. pet drink. This line, I don't need the trade. Yo, you want trade? But no, I don't want. I keep my stuff. Another one. Who needs that guy? Oh god, that guy. I don't think that thing is not working. No pet drink. Seriously? And what is this? Nothing. I don't like this party yet. It's so boring. This is boring. The boring party. Whole entire life. Oh my god. Oh god. Sure you don't. Hey Patty. Have here. I'm gonna take some party. You drink first. You want some party, kid? Duh. Okay, he's drinking. Hey, you need to sleep. I don't need that party yet. Sleep dog. Hey, who's there? Pay me first. Pay, dude. Pay. You don't wanna pay? Hey. Hey, pay. Get out. If you don't wanna pay, get out of the way. Okay then. Okay, fine. What is this? It's a perfect disline. Pick up. I'm gonna tell some party in here. I will show you the best party. Okay, you need a shower. Oh god, they are too much. Handle over can. Hey, pay me. Pay me, dude. Pay me, I don't. Just leave. Get in the shower, happier. Okay, it's dirty. Dirty. Okay, let's go pick up and go to the school. Okay guys, thank you for watching today. Next day and maybe next week I'm gonna make some videos.